Tesla's stock price is as of now at a depressed spot in spite of the organization's record-breaking line for profit for the past quarter. Tesla has positively been having a perplexing exchange period, which is to a great extent eclipsed by Elon Musk's theatrics with Twitter. The EV creator has covered off 2022 by multiplying down on limits that it typically never gives, yet this has not held its stock price back from dropping. Tesla isn't the sort of organization to be passed judgment on simply by its stock price, and there are a few development factors that numerous examinations are not calculating into their expectations. Hello folks, we invite you back to Tesla tomorrow as per the late news. Tesla is wanting to construct a fully self-driving vehicle that could be sold for under $33,000. Tesla's completely independent driving innovation is right now in the beta stage, yet another person has accepted that the vehicle organization can deliver a vehicle that can run full self-driving programming, or FSD, for under $33,000. A Tesla powerhouse named the entire Mars inventory had said that Tesla's vehicles accompany all the equipment required for FSD and don't cost an additional $15,000. He appeared to recommend the equipment be incorporated as standard on all Tesla vehicles, so it would be, to a lesser degree, a battle for Tesla to ultimately get a handle on full self-driving innovation. A ton of Tesla financial backers actually accept that the opposition in the EV business has been outgrowing Tesla for a really long time. Tesla has stood apart as the pioneer for electric vehicles anyway, and the organization currently faces a developing record of profoundly stashed contenders, including General Engines, Portage, and Mercedes-Benz, who are hoping to disturb its market strength. Will Tesla keep its driving situation in the EV business? Continue to watch to find out. However, before we get into it, assuming you like this kind of happy, hit that like button, buy in, and turn on mornings to push exceptional on everything. Along with Tesla has been a predominant power in the EV business for such a long time, yet there are much more things happening in the opposition method of things, and not just with AV vehicles that are really sumptuous, yet with standard vehicles. They come in various body types and price tags. An information firm as of late found that Tesla's piece of the pie of new enlisted electric vehicles in the U.S. remained at 65 through the second quarter of 2022, down from 71 in the earlier year and 79 in 2020. Additionally, conjectures Tesla's EV portion of the overall industry will decline to under 20 by 2025, with the quantity of UV models expected to fill before very long. This expressed in the reports indicates that given the development in purchaser decision and customer premium in EVs, Tesla's capacity to hold a predominant piece of the pie will be tested going ahead. Tesla's position is changing as new, more reasonable choices hit the market, offering a comparative innovation and creation work as Tesla anyway. Regardless of this, the vehicle organization drives all others by critical wiggle room. The automaker sold somewhat more than 936,000 units by 2021, which gave it a piece of the pie of almost 14%. Tesla is ready to lead the EV race in 2023 despite the fact that there are worries about its vehicle interest, as per Morgan Stanley's examination. Avon Jonas 2023 is turning out to be a reset year for the EV market, where the most recent 2 years of interest surpassing inventory will be considerably modified to supply surpassing interest, and that shift will generally help Tesla. A few financial backers are yet to completely accept that there will be sufficient popularity for electric vehicles sooner rather than later, yet the fact of the matter is that these vehicles are quickly becoming famous, and many individuals are beginning to see the significance of claiming one. As per the U.S. branch of energy, electric vehicles are more energy effective on the grounds that they convert north of 77% of electrical energy into motor influence in the driver's seat. That is a major difference to gas-controlled electric vehicles, which convert 12 to 30% of the energy put away in gas into motor influence in like manner. EVs are a harmless to the ecosystem approach to doing things. A huge draw of EVs is their capacity to restrict natural effects while driving. In the event that the power consumed by a vehicle is delivered by an atomic hydro, sun-based, or wind source, then the vehicle discharges no contamination, which is much of the time something contrary to non-renewable energy source-fueled power sources, likewise when contrasted with gas-fueled vehicles. EVs will generally have significantly more of a restricted reach. Most EVs can go no less than 100 miles on a solitary charge, while a few can do 200 or 300 miles for each charge. By and large, it's typically somewhat more restricted than the internal combustion choice. A few variables are likewise advancing the deal and measure of electric vehicles, particularly legislatures that have previously offered motivators to EV purchasers, and those include, among other things, tax breaks and lower loan fees on EV credits. Numerous financial backers disregard the capability of Tesla acquiring enormously from the developing EV market, yet rather than zero in on the effect of Musk's Twitter buy on Tesla, where Bramble's examination Dan Ives recently expressed in a report that Twitter remains a bad dream for financial backers since Musk has been involving Tesla as his own ATM machine to continue to finance the interpersonal organization anyway. That before long may not be the case. Many neglect to see that Twitter can really assist Tesla in numerous ways. First, on the web-based entertainment stage with Canning assist Tesla with keeping awake to date on patterns on their EVs. Tesla can likewise utilize Twitter to interface with clients and answer their inquiries, as well as offer photographs and recordings of the most recent items and news about the vehicle organization. Tesla can likewise utilize Twitter's data set to develop its business. A couple of financial backers have sorted out that Musk didn't just compensate for Twitter, yet he additionally truly paid for the organization's information. Twitter has roughly 450 million month-to-month dynamic clients starting around 2022. So imagine how much information Elon Musk will gain access to by claiming Twitter, other than needing to execute his vision for Twitter to turn into the stage with the expectation of complementary discourse. Musk additionally believes that Twitter should assist with advertising his different organizations. Virtual entertainment clients are helpless before the calculation, which extracts information about them and afterward utilizes that data to stave them on the webpage as far as might be feasible, bringing in more cash to publicize the online entertainment locales. Musk can then, at that point, utilize this information to impact the market for his organizations, both Tesla and SpaceX. Musk is likewise the chief of Neuralink, an organization that is creating implantable mind-machine interfaces, so he could utilize the information from Twitter's calculations to market this organization too. By and large, Twitter should have been visible, which is an extraordinary promoting device for Elon's organizations. The Tesla president is entering a market that has incredible power concerning calculations, and he's probably going to benefit tremendously from this. Twitter will likewise be valuable for getting client profiles to use in items like robotaxi. In like manner, Tesla could utilize a portion of Twitter's information to work out the Tesla bot. Musk has proactively guaranteed that eventually Tesla would profit from his responsibility for, and keeping in mind that there might be a bit of uncertainty about this, it is something worth focusing on for a long-lasting Tesla strong. Cathie Wood accepts that Tesla is on its way to colossal achievement, and that will essentially influence the organization's stock cost-cutting. Wood's firm Curve Contribution has been purchasing Tesla stock, notwithstanding the constant drop in stock value. There are a few factors that can make Tesla go up later on. For example, the automaker's extension plan in regions like mechanical technology, artificial intelligence, and energy. Cathie Wood likewise accepts that flattening will be an incredible instrument for Tesla as it will make space for development. Woods expressed that the automakers are probably going to battle following the imaginative creation brought about by collapse. Organizations that are running their portions in a present moment with less interest in development might find it hard to stay aware of the approaching business sector challenges. In like manner, automakers with items that can become old should sell these items at a limited cost or risk causing a gigantic misfortune. Cathie Wood has said that the drop in demand for oil will drive the development of EVs and gas vehicles, may bit by bit become old as the expense of gas keeps on taking off. This has assisted with encouraging the shift to electric vehicles. In spite of the fact that gas costs are moving back down, more people and organizations are focusing on electric influence as the fate of transportation. Tesla's sun-oriented business is additionally one more expected driver for the organization's development. In 2021, the organization revealed $801 million in income from its energy, age, and capacity organizations, which incorporates three fundamental items: sun-based, its Powerwall stockpiling gadget, as well as its Uber Pack. In spite of the fact that Tesla has not been completely centered around its sun-oriented business, there's still chances to completely enhance it later on in the event that Tesla can concentrate entirely on its independent business. It very well may be an immense driver for the vehicle organization to develop into a multi-trillion-dollar organization in the following 5 to a decade. You think Tesla stock is as yet a once-in-a-century opportunity that financial backers shouldn't pass up? Let us in on down underneath. And if you have any desire to know more about what Tesla's been doing over the most recent couple of days, feel free to tap on this next video on your screen. See you there.